Great guys, this deal was closed in plus. The deal was closed for an increase, guys. Hello trader, in today's video I will increase my balance from $1 to a whole $1,000. So I will show you what awaits you if you join my private community in TG, and it's of course absolutely free the first days after the release of the video. And in this video, as I said earlier, I will increase my balance from $1 to $1,000, and I'll do it live, so without cutting, without gluing and so on. So enjoy watching. All useful links, of course, as always, in the description under this video, and we are starting. Here we are as always on pocket option, and immediately move on to the first currency pair. The balance is $1, transaction amount is $1, transaction time we have 15 seconds. So let's open a trade for a fall. Here we see that we have a decline in progress. We will move to our support area. Everything is quite simple and elementary. Quick analysis. Excellent, the deal is closed with us in plus, guys. As I said, we will rise from exactly $1. We immediately increase the transaction amount to the amount of our maximum balance and immediately switch to the second currency pair. We open transactions also for a decrease. Here we can immediately observe a small consolidation and reversals. Now we're just in reversal, and now the upper consolidation from the top point will push down. So perfectly, this deal is also closed. We see how quickly our balance is increasing. I remind you that this is live and the broadcast is going to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. We are already on the third currency pair. We quickly open a deal for the third time for a decrease. We see here the trend is quite cyclical. So a decrease, an increase, and then a decrease again. So according to this logic, we open a deal, and second is excellent. This deal closed in plus. Great. We see that's all elementary, so very easy. We again increase the amount of our transaction. We move on to the fourth currency pair, after which we will continue to increase our balance. I repeat, the broadcast is live, so on the TG. If you were already there, you could copy all the transaction data. So here we will open a trade for an increase. Let's look at why. We have a small consolidation. From this consolidation, we see we still go up a little. So the push was from the lowest point of this consolidation. So we see technical analysis works completely correctly, and again the deal is closed in plus, guys. Great. This is our fourth currency pair. We will increase the amount again of our trade and move on to the fifth currency pair. Here we open a trade to reduce. This is one of the simplest currency pairs. We see a support area and will most likely be a push from the upper position. So since the area is quite powerful. Until the end of the trade there are 2 seconds left, and this trade also closed in plus. Great, good day. We instantly increase the amount of our balance and immediately move on to the next one. If you are struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Here we open a trade immediately for a decline. We see the general fund for decline. We immediately highlight the support area. So here we will most likely break through it, since we have a global trend going on. It's unlikely that we will have a downturn and a reversal here, so let's observe. Great guys, this deal was closed in plus and plus $50. We said this amount of the transaction next and move immediately to the next one. Here we open for an increase and carry out a quick technical analysis. We see, of course, we are in cyclical movement again, so a decrease, an increase, a decrease, an increase, so we opened an up trade specifically for an increase. In principle, all my students trade this way, so who are already in the TG, I remind you that I teach just the technical analysis and all the basic there. Here we are already opening a downward trade. We see that the situation is quite similar, and the part of the screen on the right and left, and we see that this trade now is closing in plus in 2 seconds, guys. Yes, this is how fast trading happens, guys. You asked many of you in the comments, they wrote that this is a deception and so on. So we see a live broadcast, no gluing, a quick increase in the balance, so you see everything. We are already on the penultimate currency pair. I'm worried. We open a deal here for a fall. We see we have a dot and the candles begin to decrease. The decrease in candles indicates that there's a very high probability of reversal. We see this is happening. Our balance is already $354.53. We immediately increase the amount of our transaction, so as always, and move to the last currency pair, dear traders. Here we open a trade for increase, carry out a quick technical analysis. We see that we have a fairly confident upward trend at the moment, and we don't have any in sight of a reversal. Let's wait a couple of seconds. The deal was closed for an increase, guys. Unfortunately, we don't have another $1,000. So let's set the amount of the next transaction to $500 and move on to the first currency pair again, where we will finally get our 1,000, which I'll give you promised. We quickly open a downward trade. We see that here we have a reversal in the previous situation. We see the reversal was exactly the same, and we need to open a trade as quickly as possible in order to catch this opposite market. So excellent, guys. The transaction also closed in positive territory. So our balance sheet, we see $1,000 and $140.70. Go to the description, guys. There is a link to a TG, so go to the free group, write to me in private messages, so write plus signals, and I invite you already to the closed Telegram channel, so you will be in both open and closed. There a lot of useful information about trading, so useful tricks, so I think you will like it. So I repeat, I raised $1,000 live in front of you, so even more without glue. If you want, so go to the TG, so the link is in the description, and bye bye, see you soon.